Hello and welcome to DigyPet. I'm going to show you how to book a service. Alright, here we go to the home page. I'm going to a profile. This is my profile actually. And we're going to scroll down. Here, let's book drop-in visits. So we're going to click here and choose what kind of drop-in visits you want. So now we have dog visits, puppy. How about cat? Cat drop-ins. Okay, and let's add an additional cat, because what if you have two cats? Let's do it. Two cats. And let's book the service. Here we are at checkout. Now, quantity can refer to the amount of visits that you need. You can choose as many visits as you want. I'm going to put 2. Okay, and now we can continue to payment. Enter payment information. I'm going to cover it up here for privacy. I'm going to enter my info here. Give me a minute while I type that in. I'm going to save the card for future use. And ready to press complete. And the service is booked. Thank you for booking a service. Thank you for your purchase, order number, go to order. Here's the profile, the person's profile, and we're going to scroll down. And there's the service. You can contact the service provider afterwards, or cancel the order, or escalate the order to support. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.